In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a high-resolution logo using Canva Pro. Whether you're a business owner looking to revamp your brand image or a designer aiming to craft something unique, this step-by-step guide will help you create a stunning logo that stands out. Let's dive right in. First things first, if you haven't done so already, open a web browser and head over to the Canva website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a search bar. This will be your starting point in your design journey. In the search bar, simply type logo. This opens up a world of possibilities as you gain access to Canva's extensive library of logo templates. Now, with countless templates at your fingertips, you'll want to select one that aligns with your vision or brand aesthetic. Browse through the free logo options available. The key here is to choose something that resonates with the theme or message you want your brand to convey. Once you've found the perfect template, go ahead and click on Customize this template. Customizing a template is where your creativity takes center stage. By clicking this option, you are taken to the design editor. Here you can adjust various elements of the chosen template to better fit your brand identity. Look for the Design tab. This allows you to enter editing mode where you can modify colors, adjust fonts, and tweak the overall layout to align with your brand's look and feel. Remember, the essence of a logo is in its ability to convey your brand's identity in a clear, memorable way, so feel free to experiment with different styles until you land on something that feels just right. Once you're satisfied with the primary elements of the design, it's time to add any additional features. Head over to the Elements tab on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your go-to section for adding icons, shapes, lines, and other graphical elements. Simply select any that might complement your design and drag them onto your canvas. As you work, keep in mind the principles of good design: balance, contrast, and alignment. These elements work together to create a harmonious and visually appealing logo. Once everything feels perfect, it's time to finalize your design. Ensure all the elements are properly aligned and that the colors are vibrant and the text is clear. Canva's user-friendly interface takes the guesswork out of design, allowing you to focus on crafting a logo that will leave a lasting impression. Congratulations! You've now created a high-resolution logo that's ready to represent your brand proudly. With Canva Pro, exporting your logo in different formats like PNG or PDF is a breeze, ensuring your logo looks sharp whether it's on a business card or a billboard. Thanks for joining me on this creative journey, and remember, great design is all about practice and refinement. Until next time, happy designing!